Hello everyone, welcome back to Car Fix. You're looking through my very condensated bedroom window. This is a dormer bedroom in a 3-storey 30s house. Old windows, extremely cold up here, and as you can see, the windows get extremely condensated. Tried everything. We run a dehumidifier in here sometimes, it still will get condensated. As you can see, we have the windows open in the day, even in the winter to let some ventilation in, and the windows still condensate. This room can get very cold. Even if the rest of the house is warm, this room for some reason is freezing. I think it's probably a 70s dormer that's built into the roof of an old house. It's not insulated well. It is freezing up here. So what I'm going to try is what everyone's been talking about lately, in a way to get rid of condensation or stop it sticking to the windows at least, by using washing up liquid. So let's get straight into it. I'm going to get the old Karcher window cleaner out. Review on the channel in an earlier video if you want to go back, have a look. So I'm going to clean half of it with this, get rid of the water. There we go. So now we've got half non-condensated, half still condensated. So what I'm going to do is get some cheap old fairy liquid, whatever you want to use. This is Aldi version, Magnum. Throw it onto a dry, I've got a microfiber cloth here. I apologise for the darkness, but the reflections are the reflections. Just put a little bit on, you don't want too much on. And then I'm just going to rub it into the dry area of the window. And apparently, according to the internet, this will stop condensation going on your windows. Do I believe it? No, but we're here to test it. So yeah, there's a thin layer on there. And now I'll get rid of the other side's condensation. And we'll come back tomorrow and we'll see if it's returned on this side and not this side. Put in the comments the percentage that you think it'll work or not, between 1 and 100. I'm going to say 10%. So I'll see you in 24 hours. Hey, we're back. It's now the next morning, and as you can see, it does seem to have worked. So this side, obviously the side with the soap on it, and that is the side with no soap. You can clearly see there that this side has not got the condensation. That side's got, it isn't completely dry, but the condensation isn't there. The window's still got a bit damp, but on here you can see it's absolutely soaked. So I mean, to be honest with you, it does work. How it works, I don't know. Where the moisture goes instead, it maybe just lands on other surfaces, or maybe it stays in the air. What's better? I don't really know what's better. Is it better that the moisture stays in the air and then you can open your window again and it can go out in the day vented, or is it better that it settles on the window and you get rid of it? I don't know. Let me know in the comments, but the soap trick obviously does work to stop the majority of the water anyway from landing on your window. So I'm going to use it till other people tell me not to. Peace.